हेलो बच्चों, और दिस इज़ द पार्ट 2 वीडियो ऑफ द चैप्टर नंबर 2, डाइवर्सिटी एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. Here we are going to discuss the remaining part of the chapter. So let's start. Dalit is a term that people belonging to a lower caste is known as Dalit. They prefer this word to untouchable. तो ये वर्ड लोअर कास्ट पीपल के लिए यूज़ करा जाता था और जनरली अनटचेबल्स के लिए जिनको हम छू नहीं सकते. दलित मीन्स दोज हु हैव बीन ब्रोकन. This word, according to Dalit, shown how social prejudices and discrimination have broken the Dalit people. The government refers to this group of people as scheduled caste. और आजकल की जनरेशन में उसको SC बोला जाता है, scheduled caste. Caste rules were set which did not allow the so-called to take on work other than what they were meant to do. तो ये जो कास्ट रूल्स थे इसकी वजह से वो दूसरा कोई वर्क नहीं कर पाते थे, सिर्फ उनके लिए जो बना था वो वही कर पाते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम ग्रुप्स वर फोर्स टू पिक गार्बेज एंड रिमूव डेड एनिमल्स फ्रॉम द विलेज. तो किसी कास्ट का ये काम था कि उनको सिर्फ कचरा उठाना है और मरे हुए जानवरों को हटाना है. बट दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम द विलेज वेल, और वो कुएँ से पानी नहीं ले सकते थे विलेज के, और इवन एंटर टेम्पल्स, मंदिर नहीं जा सकते थे. देयर चिल्ड्रन कुड नॉट सिट नेक्स्ट टू द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ अदर कास्ट इन स्कूल. वो उनके बच्चे दूसरे कास्ट के पीपल के साइड में नहीं बैठ सकते थे. दस upper caste acted in ways which did not give the so-called untouchables the same rights as they enjoyed. तो जो अपर कास्ट को राइट्स मिलते थे वो लोअर कास्ट को नहीं मिलते थे. डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, one of the greatest leaders of India, shares his first experience of caste-based discrimination, which took place in 1901 when he was just 9 years old. तो ये भी बहुत लोअर कास्ट से बिलोंग करते थे. He had gone with his brothers and cousins to meet his father in कोरेगांव, which is now in Maharashtra. तो वो अपने पापा से मिलने गए थे अपने कजिन्स के साथ कोरेगांव में, जो महाराष्ट्र में है अभी. Long did we wait, but no one returned up. An hour elapsed, and the station master came to inquire. He asked us for our tickets. We showed them to him. He asked us why we tarried. We told him that we bound for Koregaon and that we were waiting for father or his servant to come, but that neither had turned up and that we did not know how to reach Koregaon. We were well-dressed children. From our dress or talk, no one could make that we were children of the untouchables. Indeed, the station master was quite sure we were Brahman children and was extremely touched at the plight in which he found us. As usual among the Hindus, the station master asked us who we were. Without a moment thought, I blurted out that we were Mahars. Mahar is one of the Mahar कौन सी community होती है which were treated as untouchables in the Bombay Presidency. He was stunned. His face underwent a sudden change. We could see that he was overpowered by a strange feeling of repulsion. As soon as he heard my reply, he went away to his room and he stood where we were. 15 to 20 minutes elapsed. The sun was almost setting. Our father had not turned up, nor had he sent his servant, and how the station master had also left us. We were quite bewildered, and the joy and happiness which we felt at the beginning of the journey gave way to a feeling of extreme sadness. तो जैसे ही उनको पता चला कि वो अनटचेबल है तो स्टेशन मास्टर का भी रिएक्शन एकदम बदल गया और स्टेशन मास्टर भी उनको छोड़ के चला गया. After half an hour, the station master returned and asked us what we proposed to do. He said that if we could get a bullock cart on hire, we would go to Koregaon, and if it was not very far, we would like to start straight away. There were many bullock carts plying for hire, but my reply to the station master that we were Mahars had gone round among the cartmen, and not one of them was prepared to suffer being polluted and demean himself carrying passengers of the untouchable classes. तो बुलक कार्ट्स तो बहुत सारे थे वहाँ पे, बट कोई भी उन अनटचेबल्स को ले जाने के लिए रेडी नहीं था. We were prepared to pay double the fare, but we found that money did not work. The station master, who was negotiating on our behalf, stood silent, not knowing what to do. तो ये चीज़ हुई. ये जो यहाँ पे बॉक्स में दिया है वो आप खुद पढ़ सकते हो, ये बहुत ईजी है, सो यू कैन डू इट। वो भीमराव अंबेडकर के बारे में है पूरा। Imagine how difficult it would be if people could not move easily from one place to another. कितना डिफ़िकल्ट होगा अगर इंसान एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस नहीं जा सकता तो। How insulting and hurtful it would have people move away, refuse to touch you or allow you to drink water from the same source as they do. अगर कोई आपको मना कर दे कि यहाँ से पानी मत लो ये वो, तो कितना awkward लगेगा। This small incident shows how a simple task of going from one place to another in a cart was not available to the children even though they could pay the money. All the cartmen at the station refused to take the children. They acted in a discriminatory manner. So clearly, as this story shows, a caste-based discrimination is not only limited to preventing Dalits from undertaking certain economic activities, but it also denies them the respect and dignity given to others. तो इवन उनको रिस्पेक्ट्स वगैरह भी नहीं मिलती थी. Striving for equality. The struggle for freedom from British rule also included within it the struggle of large people who not only fought against the British but also fought to be treated more equally. Dalits, women, tribals and peasants fought against the inequalities they experienced in their lives. तो ना ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट बट ये जो अनइक्वालिटी था उसके अगेंस्ट भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने फाइट करी. As pointed out earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into temples. Women demanded that they should have a much right to educate as men did. Peasants and tribals fought to release themselves from the grasp of the moneylender and high interest they were charged. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने फाइट करी. दलित्स ने टेम्पल में एंट्री के लिए, वुमेन ने एजुकेशन के लिए, पीजेंट्स ने मनी लेंडर्स के अगेंस्ट एंड सो ऑन. When India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that existed. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid out the rules by which the nation would function, were aware of the ways in which, as a crime, in the ways the discrimination had been practiced in our society and how people had struggled against this. Many leaders of these strugglers, such as Dr. Ambedkar, had also fought for the rights of the Dalits. So these leaders set out a vision and goals in the institution to ensure that all people of India were considered equal. तो उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऐसा लिखा कि जिससे सब लोग इक्वल हो जाएं. This equality of all person is seen as a key value that unites us as all Indians. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Untouchability is seen as a crime and has been legally abolished by law. अनटचेबिलिटी को अब क्राइम माना जाता है, लीगली अबॉलिश कर दिया गया है, ख़त्म कर दिया गया है. People are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open to all people. In addition, the Constitution also places responsibility on the government to take specific steps to realize this right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities. The writers of the Constitution also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring equality. They felt that people must have the freedom to follow their religion. People को अपना खुद का राइट होना चाहिए रिलीजन फॉलो करने का. स्पीक their लैंग्वेज, सेलिब्रेट their फेस्टिवल्स. उनको राइट होना चाहिए अपनी लैंग्वेज, अपने फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने का. They said that no one language, religion or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. They said that the government must treat all the religions equally. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला, ऐसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेट करा जिसकी वजह से सारा रिलीजन इक्वली ट्रीट करें. द फ्रीडम टू प्रैक्टिस टू फॉलो देयर रिलीजन विदाउट एनी फियर और डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. दिस इज सीन एज द इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट ऑफ अवर यूनिटी दैट वी ऑल लिव टुगेदर एंड रिस्पेक्ट वन अनदर. Though these ideals are enshrined in our constitution, this chapter points out the inequalities exist even today. कुछ inequalities अभी भी गाँव में होती हैं, जैसे ये मत करो, ये मत छुओ. Equality is value that we have to keep striving for and not something which will happen automatically. इसके लिए हमको struggle करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए हमको initiative लेना पड़ेगा, ये automatically नहीं होती है. People's struggle and positive actions by the government are necessary to make this a reality for all Indians. Here we complete our chapter explanation and we will be meeting you with our next part 3 video in which we will be doing the question answer as well. So guys, thank you for watching it.